Hello out there, all my DIY artsy crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name's Dee, the Messy Perfectionist, and on this channel I am sharing my love and learning for all things DIY artsy crafty. I am sharing today a unboxing and swatching of this scorpion set in the Black Widow collection. I have recently did an upload for the first set in the bundle that I got, which was the Black Widows themselves. And the next one after this will be the Cobra. I have done a video for all of the sets. I first purchased the Monarch set and the Dragon set, and then of course after using and falling in love with them, I decided I needed the whole collection. So here we are. I will freeze frame here so you can see the names on the cards and the numbers, as well as reading the names and numbers on the pencils themselves here in a second. If you do like content like this, or you find this video helpful to you in some way, please do consider subscribing, hitting that like button, leaving me a comment. It really helps my channel grow, and I'm so enjoying sharing my adult coloring experience, and I plan on sharing some Cricut projects and things like that in the future. It's just been such a joy, and this has been such a beautiful community. I thank you all for all of your support. I will be quiet throughout most of the video. I may periodically chime in here and there, giving my 2 cents on something, but for the most part, I'm just going to let the pencils do their magic themselves. As I mentioned in the last video, I think the quality of these was very nice, on par with the first two sets that I purchased, and I have done some color alongs with those first two sets, which were the Monarch and the Dragon, and I'm very excited to put the rest of these beauties to work in a coloring project. So I will catch up with you towards the end, and thanks again so much for watching. I hope you guys do enjoy this. as we're wrapping up the swatching of this beautiful scorpion set in the Black Widow colored pencil collection, you will be able to see both swatch cards side by side, and you can just tell how pretty these colors are as well, and the slight variance. I really like the gradients. I think they're gorgeous. Lay down, layering, all of that stuff. If you are interested in seeing what the last set looks like in action, do make sure you are subscribed and you hit that little notification bell so you are alerted as I will be uploading the Cobra set shortly. And with that, I do hope you all have a beautiful rest of your day. Thank you again so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.